He used to secure this firmly like a nail. If God says so, then it is acceptable. This is a phrase that our people utilize. The waters will cease to flow, which is very pleasant. If the owner states, this is impossible, he states, I have allowed marriage to be permissible as halal. You should be together with a marriage contract. I already made you like this. I created a real man. Love care among us. I put on my craving for shooting and substance. I made this relationship where each person spares the other, potentially, and I made it permissible to you through a method that establishes a home with a mutual agreement. That is, with an agreement about who is with whom in a halal way. In this form, it's halal, the same as haram in another form. Now I also have the right to method, style, and way. If you're approving this, it can be accomplished. Let's proceed, one way or another. He has the right to do it however he wants. So, you'll sip the water, sir, then breathe in between, sip again, and breathe in between. Even if the other way is forbidden, it becomes permissible. All of these are due to the fact that they belong to the owner. If in charge, would have done it, boss wanted. So, it signifies that in the formal dimension, we are completely entitled. That is the reason why we are celebrating and congratulating this union in its formal form. Congratulations. Subsequently, we appreciate it with respect and love, and society recognizes its value. However, why do we view it as ugly, nasty, bad, and disgusting when the same activity is carried out in the context of adultery? Why is that the case? Due to owner's provision. If you're going to do it like this, then you're going to do it like this. No other way allowed.